everyone. Happy Easter again. I'm going to make a pretty quick video here because I have found 5 sites that have the same promo code. And I'll tell you the promo code in a minute. It's an Easter promo code for here in 2026. But some of these expire in about a week or even less. April 12th I read. So April 12th, most of these are expiring. So you need to do this now. If you didn't get here and you're watching this after April 12th, this first one may still be good. When Traffic Daily. So the promo code for all of these is Easter 26. Easter 26. Not 2026, just 26. Easter 26. All of them. 4 owned by the same person. Boost Loop, Fastest Pro, Melagenics, Traffic Stadium by the same person. But When Traffic Daily is owned by a different person. So I know these 4 are owned, except for When Traffic Daily, are supposed to expire on the 12th, so you should do this now. But again, if you're here late and you're too late, you can still do When Traffic Daily. Now, When Traffic Daily will give you 3 solo ads plus some more traffic, banners, and text ads. These others, there's traffic exchanges or mailers. It depends on which program. But for example, with Traffic Stadium, you get 1,500 points. That's actually 1,500 visitors. Boost Loop, I believe, is also 1,500 visitors. And Fastest Pro and Melagenics are probably going to be 1,500 mailing credits. But I redeemed all of them and they all worked. Now quickly, that's Easter 26. And look at the link in the description for all of these links. Quickly, okay, When Traffic Daily, to do it, you go to Setup Ads. And you do it here at the top. And Fastest Pro, what you do is you, from your dashboard, you click Rewards. There's Overview, Rewards, Activity Tools. Click Rewards. And you go down, not the daily code, but promo codes right here. Easter 26. You can also spin the wheel while you're here. You can do this every day for more free traffic credits. Daily hidden code. Well, sometimes it's in an email she sends out or something, and you can do this one here. But the regular promo codes are here. That's Fastless Pro. Melagenics, you go to Voucher to do it. And I had just done it and got some extra voucher. Click on Voucher and enter it here. In Boost Loop, when you're at the dashboard, you just go right down near the top and click promo codes right here in the menu. And here you go, right here. And see, it already done it. It's 1,500 bonus points. Okay, in Traffic Stadium, the way she got it set up is this appears usually even on the dashboard right here. See this? Click it. And then Easter 26 and click Go. So that's how you get a good large number. And this one is 3 solo ads here. So even if you miss these, still do this one. Click on Setup Ads and get it. And there's three solo ads. As you can see, I do get traffic from this site. So I've definitely gotten traffic from this site. It's a reminder. Yes, do I make sales? Yes, I do make sales in these sites. It's a hit and miss, but the more active you are, more likely you can make sales. Now, in Fastless Pro, I've made sales. Let me just show you where it's at. Once again, I click on what looks like a person. And then I click commissions, and here's commissions here. So my total earned is $55.50 total paid so far. So this is my pending balance. So yeah, you can make commissions in these programs as well. So happy Easter 2026 again, and check the link in the description for all the sign up links. And remember, Easter 26 is the promo code today. Thanks.